Okay, let's start. We would like to write Caesar sphere. Write a Python function named encode in Caesar sphere, which encodes a given clear text to Caesar sphere. Write a Python function named decode from Caesar sphere, which decodes a given Caesar text to clear text. Caesar sphere shifts the characters of the given string right by 3. For example, A becomes D. See below example. A, B, C, D. A becomes D, B becomes E. The important part is here in the X, Y, Z. We are not going to do future characters, but going right back to the A. Let's see in the SG table. We are in, for example, in the X. If you only add 3, it will become this one. We will see the example right now a little bit here. Okay, then you will need to use following Python function, ord and char. Let's see this function first of all. Python, let's say char equals to A. Also it say that for this question only worry about English uppercase characters. Okay, we have this character A. Let's say first of all ordinal. It changed this character to the number, the ASCII text. Let's see big A, here 65, and here we have 65. And for let's say char A, okay, integer is required, then let us give 65, we get A. At 20, for example, 85, we get U. Let's see, 85 is U, right? We are right. Let's see the basic and wrong example. Let's start. What does it say? Create an encode in Caesar sphere. Let's start def encoding in Caesar sphere text, and let's say return text. This is the basic text. Is, for example, A, B, C. Encoded text equals to encoding Caesar sphere text. Print encoded text. Encoded text. And let's run this one. Okay, we are returning the same one. Let's see, 4 character in text. We need an output. Let's say this is an output. Wow, this ordinal. As you remember, ordinal gives us this integer value, char. Then we add 3 to this one, and new char equals to this char w, and for the output equals to output plus new char, or let's say encoded value, encoded, and let's return encoded, and let's run. Okay, this seems correct, but as I said, the problem will be in this new values x, y, and z. And let's run. We are getting this punctuation characters y, since in this one we are x, y, z. When we add 3 to this one, we are getting this value, y this value, and z this value, and this is 91, 92, 93. We need to somehow cycle this one. How can we cycle this classic value? Let me first of all git add, git commit, let's say version 1, and let's cycle. How we will cycle? We know that there are, let's say, about 26 value, or we can say that if it is higher than, let's say, we know that we are only working with this one, we can say that this, let's say it is higher than 90, at remove 90 and add, for example, 65. Or we can add this standard one, start with this one, and since we know that there are 26 characters, look 26, and v equals to v plus 65 again, and let's run it again, and the output ABC, but we should write this way. Text encoded text, this one. Okay, this one will be the text. This one the value. Okay, for text ABC encoded DFT, text XYZ encoded ABC. Let's see another example. For example, Atilla Özgür. Okay, but our problem is we are removing right now. Let's say we have a problem with the space character, but let's ignore that one right now. Yeah, this is our output right now. For the code, what we will do, this part will be in the reverse.